Samsung's next Galaxy Fold 7 might provide a new level of thinness and usefulness to the market, and the battle to create the thinnest phone possible is accelerating in 2025. According to leaker Theolox, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be almost half as thick as the first Galaxy Fold, which made its debut in 2019 when folded to a just 8.2 millimeters. This would make the Fold 7 0.7 millimeters thinner than the Oppo Find N5, which is presently the thinnest foldable in the world. The true question today, however, is whether Samsung can meet these requirements. Prior speculations indicated that the Fold 7 would be more realistic than the ultra-slim 8.2 millimeters figure, measuring about 9 millimeters when folded and 4.5 millimeters when unfurled. The message is obvious, though. Samsung is committed to make its foldables lighter, thinner, and more portable than before. Features from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, such as a bigger, more immersive 8-inch main display and a 6.5-inch outer display, are also believed to be borrowed by the Fold 7, which should make the phone seem even more useful when folded. The anticipated 200-megapixel primary camera puts mobile photography on a whole new level for foldables by becoming the first sensor of that size to be included in a whole device. According to speculations, Samsung is prioritizing build quality this time around. This includes an enhanced foldable screen that may make the crease much less obvious, a more robust folding mechanism, and a better under-display camera for cleaner selfies. Expected to include the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU under the hood, the Fold 7 will provide flagship-level performance for multitasking and gaming. Rumor has it that it could come with One UI 8, although One UI 7 is still very new. Samsung's rapid software upgrade suggests that the Fold May 7 potentially have new functionality designed specifically for foldables or other UI adjustments. With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 probably taking center stage at the same event, the majority of indications point to a launch event in early July. It seems that foldable technology will have a tremendous summer. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.